The benefits of owning an above-ground pool. Now, while some people choose an in-ground pool, above-ground pools offer a cost-effective and convenient alternative. Here are 3 benefits of owning an above-ground pool. Cost-effective and easy to install. Above-ground pools often cost significantly less than in-ground models. It's also less expensive to install and maintain after purchase. Enjoy the luxury of a private pool without breaking the bank or committing to a permanent structure. A portable option. Above-ground pools are available in a variety of different shapes and sizes, making it easy to find one to fit your space. You can take it down after the season and put it back up when the weather warms. This offers flexibility that you just can't get with an in-ground pool. You can prioritize safety. Above-ground swimming pools are typically easier and less expensive to maintain. Compact size means fewer chemicals and less water. With safety top of mind, the raised sides of an above-ground pool add tremendous value for families looking to prevent accidental falls. So go ahead, take a swim. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To learn more about the benefits of owning an above-ground swimming pool, just give us a call or visit our website at www.apollopoolsandspas.com.